everyone, how's your day going so far? Today, I want to talk about something that's been freaking out the older generation lately. All those folks who were around in the ancient times of 2010, they keep reminiscing about how they had to take a taxi to Blockbuster, and how they didn't have Uber or Netflix back then. But let's forget about all that because I want to talk about artificial intelligence. Yes, AI can be scary. The idea of robots that can think and make decisions on their own can be daunting. But here's the thing, if you take control of AI and learn to master it, it's not scary at all. In fact, it's pretty hilarious. So sit back, grab some air-fried popcorn, and let me tell you how you can create an avatar like me. I'm here to tell you about Google Bard. Google Bard is a large language model that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Google Bard is able to access information from the real world through Google Search, which means that it can provide more accurate and up-to-date answers to your questions. Google Bard can be used for a variety of tasks, including generating creative content, such as poems, scripts, and musical pieces, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, such as emails, letters, and blog posts, answering your questions in an informative way. So create a Google Bard account and write script for your video. After creating, now we need ElevenLabs voice generator text-to-speech app. This app is designed to help you convert any written text into a high-quality audio file in a matter of seconds. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves to read, this app is a game changer. Go to ElevenLabs.io and click on Sign Up button. Simply create a free account. Now paste your script that you generated from Google Bard or GPT 4. In settings, you can select different voices according to your needs. Simple click on Generated button and download your voiceover file. Now open MidJourney or bluewillow Discord server. Using MidJourney or bluewillow, the method is almost same. I am using bluewillow because it is totally free. Open the bluewillow Discord server. On the left side, you will see a rookies option. Click on any rookie. Click on the plus button and select your picture and press enter. Now left click on your image, it will pop up. After that, right click on your image and copy the image address. Remove extra words after JPG. And add any word you like. I will provide you this command in the video description. Now copy this whole command. Type /imagine, select prompt and paste your prompt, then press enter. bluewillow will generate images for you. Select your avatar and download it. Now open did.com and create a free account. Click on Create Video, upload your avatar and your voiceover file. Finally, click on Generate Video, and your AI avatar video will be ready in a few minutes.